Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday natural glowy makeup look. We're quarantined right now, so we can't really go anywhere. Doing my makeup and like getting ready always makes me feel better. I've done these videos in the past and I feel like I've changed a little bit of how I do my makeup, but like some of it is still the same. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. So I already washed my face and I moisturized with this lotion. I've used this moisturizing lotion for a long time now. It's the Aveeno Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion. Looks like this. So yeah, I already put that on. I like to put products on and let them sit. Like I put on my moisturizer and let it sit because I feel like if I like do my makeup right away, it's just like sticky. I don't know. Next, I'm going to be putting my primer on. It's the Wet n Wild Coconut. It's the Wet n Wild Water Primer in Coconut and it smells really good. I love it. Also, I'm not an expert at like, I'm not a beauty guru, so this is just how I do my makeup. So if I like do something wrong, don't come at me. Next, I just let that sit and let that dry. I actually forgot to put my hair up. Yeah, I don't like that. Why do I look bald? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So after I let my primer sit, I also put on the Wet n Wild Coconut Primer Water. It's a setting spray and a primer. This actually helps my makeup stay longer. Oh, some of that got on my nose. So after putting the spray on, I just do my eyebrows really quick. I'll go ahead and do them off camera because it takes me a while. So after filling in and concealing my eyebrows, I put on the e.l.f. Clear Eyebrow Mascara. Next, for foundation, I've been using the same brand of foundation for the longest time now. I'm kind of scared to like try a new foundation because I feel like it won't like look good, but I need to try new things. I use a lighter shade of foundation as like my concealer instead of using foundation all over my face. So I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation in shade 130. I used to use the matte version of this foundation and I found that using the Dewy and Smooth version really helps with your foundation to look more glowy and like natural. So I really like that about this foundation. So I'm just going to be applying this foundation as concealer like on my dark spots and like covering up my pimples and stuff like that. So before blending all of that in with my beauty blender, I like to wet my beauty blender with the setting spray. I don't know what it does. I've seen it in other videos and that's what they do, so I'm just gonna be doing that. So after blending all of that in, I use my Earthspun Loose Face Powder and I put this under my eyes and on my eyelids, and I found that like if you just put a little bit of powder and like blend it in and then put some more and let it bake instead of blending it in, it stays longer. It doesn't crease as much. Does that make sense? Let me explain that again. I put a little bit of powder under my eyes and then I blend that in and then I put some more, and instead of blending it in, I let it bake. Okay, I think I explained that better. So while I'm letting that sit and bake, I go ahead and bronze up my face with my L'Oreal Lumi bronzer. After I do that, I wipe off the extra powder under my eyes. Okay, so now for the blush. I use this Rimmel London Maxi blush. I really like how it looks on my face. And I like to add some on my nose. It kind of just gives it that natural look. And then I add a little bit on my forehead and on my chin. Next, I like to put on my e.l.f. highlighter. So I just put a little bit of that on the tip of my nose. And then I just draw a little line on my nose. And then I put some on my cheekbones. After I do that, I like to blend out so it looks a little bit more natural. Before putting on mascara, I like to put on my setting spray, because if I put on mascara and then I put on the spray, like the mascara comes down my face. So I just put on the setting spray first and then I put on mascara. Now for mascara. I use this Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara. I just got this mascara like not too long ago. I've been trying it out. I kind of like it, but I like the old mascara I used to use. I kind of just wanted to try something new. This is the other mascara I used to use. I kind of like that one better than the one I'm using right now. Yeah, but if you guys have any products that you guys like, please let me know and comment them down below. I'd love to try like new foundations and stuff like that. But yeah, all of the products that I've used in this video, you can just get them at your local drugstore. For my lips, I don't really do much. I sometimes just wear chapstick, but what I like to do, I like to get some makeup makeup remover and remove the extra foundation off my lips. And then I just add chapstick, any chapstick. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. So yeah, this is all the makeup I've been using lately. This is the makeup look I've been doing every day or whenever I feel like it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys on my next video.